In today's video, hey guys, Chris Fix. I mean, shit. What's my name? Cut. Hey guys, Evan here. Alright, today's video we're going to be we're gonna paint these little suckers. And hopefully I can get them back in, because I may or may not have broken them quick taking them out. I don't know yet. We'll see how this goes.
I forgot I was recording.
What were you recording?
Everything.
I want you to look at this food.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Don't mind my little fingerprints. I think that'll look good. It's gonna take some getting used to do. It's very similar to my color. It's a little bit darker, but you ain't gonna notice because you got black around it. So I'll show you guys this on the truck whenever we're done. I don't know when that'll be. I might let it sit in the garage tonight. It's supposed to rain. I should have let it sit a little bit before I put them on, because there's some fingerprints here and there, and it's kind of pushed up there. Other than that, it looks pretty good. It's a little bit darker than my paint, but I didn't get this exact color because I wasn't painting out the ass. I just found what I could find. I think I found it at Advanced Auto or AutoZone like a couple months ago. I'm also painting hooks, but I don't know if I'll get them installed or not, because I need to get the bevels for right here. But we'll see. And this paint's not really looking good on these for some reason. I try to prep them up a little bit, but it's rough, so. I'd say it looks pretty good. Pretty good. Let it sit overnight, and I just threw it back on about an hour ago, and now it's all wet again. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and adios. I did this with a spray can.